यो हेरौं त सट्टामा instead of मेरो सट्टा पार्टीमा जाने कि Will you go to the party instead of me? Will you go to the party instead of me? के आज मासुको सट्टा माछा खाने? Shall we have fish instead of meat today? Shall we have fish instead of meat today? Instead of है of होइन of. Shall we have fish instead of meat today? म माथि upon me. उसले म माथि दोष लगायो. He put the blame upon me. He put the blame upon me. अरूमाथि कहिल्यै धेरै भरोसा नगर. Never rely too much upon others. Never rely too much upon others. Upon others भनेको अरूमाथि. Never rely too much upon others. Between बीचमा मध्ये दुई जना वा दुई कुराको बीचमा भन्न खोजेको. यी दुई मध्ये एउटा छान. Choose one between these two. Choose one between these two. म राम र जोनको बीचमा बसे. I sat between Ram and John. I sat between Ram and John. अर्को वाक्य तिमी दुई बीच केक बाँड. Divide the cake between you two. Divide the cake between you two. यो तिम्रो र मेरो बीचको गोप्य कुरा हो. This is a secret between you and me. This is a secret between you and me. तिमी र मीरा बीच के भयो? What happened between you and Mira? What happened between you and Mira? आपसमा, माझमा, बीचमा, मध्ये, among दुई भन्दा धेरैको बारेमा कुरा गर्नु पर्दा चाहिँ यो प्रयोग गरिन्छ. यसलाई आपसमा बाँड. Divide this among yourselves. Divide this among yourselves. उनीहरू आपसमा झगडा गरे. They quarreled among themselves. They quarreled among themselves. ऊ हामी माझ लोकप्रिय छ. He is popular among us. He is popular among us. उनी केटाहरूको बीचमा उभिइन्. She stood among the boys. She stood among the boys. बाघ झाडीहरूको बीच लुक्यो. The tiger hid among the branches. The tiger hid among the branches. Branches झाडीहरू. The tiger hid among the branches. यी मध्ये कुनै एक छान. Choose any one from among these. Choose any one from among these. पिज्जालाई तिमीहरू तीन जनामा बाँड. Divide the pizza among you three. Divide the pizza among you three. यो हेरौं अब मार्फत बाट हुँदै through. यो सुरुङ मार्फत नजानु. Don't go through this tunnel. Don't go through this tunnel. ऊ झ्यालबाट भित्र पस्यो. He came in through the window. He came in through the window. Throughout भनेको चाहिँ भर अथवा भरि. रातभर पानी पर्यो. It rained throughout the night. It rained throughout the night. यो समय अथवा ठाउँको कुरा गर्दा प्रयोग गरिन्छ. देशभर पानी पर्यो. It rained throughout the country. It rained throughout the country. तिमी दिनभरि के गर्दै थियौ? What were you doing throughout the day? What were you doing throughout the day? उसले जीवनभर कहिल्यै गुनासो गरेन. Throughout his life, he never complained. Throughout his life, he never complained. You are watching Hamro English Guru YouTube channel, your place to learn English. अंग्रेजीलाई आफ्नो वशमा ल्याउनको लागि यो च्यानल हाम्रो इंग्लिश गुरु र हाम्रो अनलाइन क्लासमा भएका सबै भिडियोहरू एक गरी हेर्न नछुटाउनुहोला र यी दुवै च्यानलहरूलाई तपाईले सब्स्क्राइब गरिसक्नु भएको छैन भने सब्स्क्राइब पनि गर्न नभुल्नुहोला र सब्स्क्राइबको छेउमा भएको घण्टी पनि बजाउन नभुल्नुहोला. अगाडि बढौं अब. Let's move forward. Above, माथि. आफ्नो हात टेबल माथि राख. Keep your hands above the table. Keep your hands above the table. यसले भन्न खोजेको टेबललाई छोएर होइन, त्यो भन्दा पनि माथि नछोइकन राख. अब छोएर माथि राख भन्नु पर्दा तपाईहरूले on प्रयोग गर्न सक्नुहुन्थ्यो. Keep your hands on the table. अहिले चाहिँ हामी above को अर्को पनि हेरौं त वाक्य. विमान सहर माथि उडिरहेको छ. A plane is flying above the city. A plane is flying above the city. हामीले पहाड माथि बादल देख्यौं. We saw clouds above the mountain. We saw clouds above the mountain. उनी हामी भन्दा माथिको अपार्टमेन्टमा बस्छिन् अथवा फ्ल्याटमा बस्छिन्. She lives in an apartment above us. She lives in an apartment above us. पर्दा पछाडि लुकौं. Let's hide behind the curtain. Behind, पछाडि. Let's hide behind the curtain. ऊ ढोका पछाडि लुक्यो. He hid behind the door. He hid behind the door. In front of, अगाडि. मेरो बिरालोलाई आगोको अगाडि निदाउन मन पर्छ. My cat likes to sleep in front of the fire. My cat likes to sleep in front of the fire. मैले अगाडिको मान्छेको कारण देख्न सकिन अथवा सक्दिन. I can't see because of the person in front of me. I can't see because of the person in front of me. तिम्रो घर अगाडि के छ? What's there in front of your house? What's there in front of your house? During समयमा अथवा क्रममा अथवा अवधिमा पढाइको क्रममा उ सुतिरहेको थियो He was asleep during the lesson. He was asleep during the lesson. यात्राको समयमा मैले मजा लिएँ I enjoyed a lot during the trip. I enjoyed a lot during the trip. म दिनको समयमा सुत्छु र राति काम गर्छु I sleep during the day and work at night. I sleep during the day and work at night. Except बाहेक मीना बाहेक कोही आएनन् No one came except Meena. No one came except Meena. म शनिबार बाहेक हरेक दिन काम गर्छु I work every day except Saturday. I work every day except Saturday. म आफू बाहेक कसैलाई विश्वास गर्दिन I don't trust anyone except myself. I don't trust anyone except myself. म बाहेक सबैलाई थाहा थियो Everyone except me knew it. Everyone except me knew it. Till को अर्थ सम्म म नफर्कुन्जेलसम्म यहाँ पर्ख Wait here till I return. Wait here till I return. अन्तिम वाक्य हाम्रो उ नआएसम्म म यहाँ पर्खनेछु I will wait here till he comes. I will wait here till he comes. आजको भिडियोलाई यति नै Be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. राम्ररी बस्नुहोला. Take care and have a beautiful day.